What to do when you see 1111 or 111, perhaps more important for most of you, might be what not to do. Because how you respond when you see these numbers can determine whether you accelerate what you want or whether you block it. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you two of the most common mistakes that I've made when seeing 1111 or 111, and two of the best things you can do. The first mistake to avoid is to trying to manipulate the numbers into form or trying to manufacture them artificially. For example, to not check your phone or the watch more often than usual, just to see the number 1111 or 111, or not to try and calculate prices of items you buy so that they add up to 1111 and 111 on your bill or receipt, to manufacture this number so you see that. Because if you do that, if you manipulate or try to manufacture this number artificially, it shows that you don't trust the universe for showing you these numbers at the perfect timing, or whatever source you believe in that's showing you these numbers. It shows that you don't trust it, and therefore you will stop seeing this number. And also, it reinforces the belief that you have to do all the work to create and manipulate a certain outcome that you want to see in reality. Then you have to force an outcome instead of reinforcing the belief that it is coming to you. You just set an intention and you let the universe respond to your intentions and unfold whatever outcome you want naturally. The second mistake that I made was that I started to become very attached to seeing this number, and I was concerned whenever I saw it, oh, this was the last time, it will never show up again. And this came out of a scarcity and even fear-based mindset that was actually blocking certain things from coming into my life, and it was spreading into other areas of my life. And instead, I had to turn that mindset around and let go of the attachment and being okay with the number never showing up ever again. And that was quite liberating, and it actually led to me seeing the number more often and reinforcing the trust in myself and the universe for responding to my intentions. Now let's go to the things to do when you see the number 1111 or 111. And the first thing is to reinforce the chosen meaning. If you've already seen the other videos I've published on this, where I revealed to you the 6 most powerful meanings I've chosen when I see this number, then check out this video here and to see those meanings. And then once you've chosen your meanings, then whenever you see this number appear, then you take a moment, you appreciate the appearance and be grateful for it and reinforce the meaning you have chosen. The second thing I found really powerful to do, which builds on the first thing, is to build an evidence list for whatever meanings you have chosen here. And I do that by simply having the Note app on my phone where I write down the date, and whenever I saw these numbers and the situations where I saw them, sometimes even capture an image or a picture of the number appearing at certain places in my life, but also do that from a detached standpoint, that sometimes where I don't have my phone with me and I see the numbers, I'm okay with it, to just take a moment, appreciate it, and then let go of the appearance and to reinforce the meaning. So if you have the evidence list, it's also helpful for moments where you feel a little bit down and you feel a little bit that the universe has abandoned you. And then you can see all the evidence that you are actually being guided, that you're actually supported, because the number has shown up so many times already in your life. And that's what I found this evidence list really, really helpful. What are you doing when you see 1111 or 111? Leave a comment below, I'd love to know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to receive a notification whenever I release a new video, then click the subscribe button here. And if you like to know the most powerful meanings I've chosen when I see these numbers, then check out this video here where I go more in detail.